All right, this unboxing is a long time coming. Chancey told me that it was 2 weeks short of a year that he has sent me a box. So this sucker's been going on for quite some time. I've already pre-opened it a little bit so I could get in there, but as you can see, everything's tightly packed. They do a great job. They maximize your cash for whenever you get things sent to you. And like I said, it's been 2 weeks short of a year. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see what we got in here. And let me see if I can get in here without damaging anything. Angel does a great job in packing everything, so thank you to Angel. I know Chancey just sells coins. He doesn't really. Oh, what do I got here? Peace dollar. It is a 1922. I'm sure I'd got a decent deal on that. Uh-oh, look at that. I got a little silver Ronald Reagan there. Let's see what's all in this package. Ooh, there's some yellow metal in there. That's always good. I like seeing that. Can always use more of that. All right, let's get this sorted here. I already showed you a peace dollar. I got a couple of war nickels in there to add to my war nickel tubes. You can always tell war nickels because they usually turn out blackish, which are kind of crazy because of the 35% silver that's in them, and then the little alloy that goes on them gets them a little bit, gets them discolored like that. It's just the way it is. These are 10th ounce Ronald Reagan silver. I believe this one's just plated with something of some sort, but these are 10th ounce Ronald Reagans. Very cool. They look like dimes, and they look like dimes. There you go. Let's see what else we got going on here. Oh, very cool. Like I said, this has been a year in the making, so I don't know what exactly is in here. I know a few things for sure that are in here. I'm pretty sure I got a wood chopper note in here. 1 ounce silver. Very cool design. Love that. Made from the 5 pesos in the 1940s. Very, very cool. Oh, and a 1/2 ounce. Very cool. They make a lot of different kinds of these, and they're really, 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 really cool. Well, it was 1/4 ounce, actually. 1/4 troy ounce. 0.999 fine silver and a 1 ounce. Very cool. Like that. The last coin in that bag is a Peru, 1968, 1/5 Libra. It is essentially 92% gold. 0.0471 actual gold weight. Very nice. Get that put away. Next item. Here, take a look. That's how far we got to go. It's going to be a little bit. Let's get this one unlocked. So this is, a lot of these are either going to be from Mr. Todd Williams, aka Silent Bob, and Chancey Beckham. Those guys are both off the Coins and Collectibles group on Facebook. If you're not a member, you're missing out. One of the best Facebook groups. In fact, I like to think it's the best Facebook group. The guys there are great. We have a good time. We have fun. We share knowledge. It's a great group. And the fearless leader, Mr. John Southworth, he does auctions weekly. In fact, he's having one this Sunday night, the Ides of March. Let's get in there and see what we can slay. Mark Anthony's already been, or what's his name's already been slayed. We can slay some coins. All right, that looks like a slab. Let's see what we got in here. A slab in a bag. Oh, a rattler. Hear that? That's why they call those rattlers. Very cool. A sample slab. Usually you see them 64. This is a 63. Good little addition. Got a Star Trek coin. These are really cool. They're also making a new one that Chancey's trying to get a hold of more. It was very popular. I think he had 3 of them, and they flew off the shelves for him. So I know he's going to get more. He's going to do well with those. Those are really cool looking. If I can figure out how to open this sucker. Oh well, pour it. It needed to go. Let's get this thing open. Let's take a look and see what we got in here. I don't want to damage the box. Look at that thing. It has enamel blue on it. Very, very cool. Star Trek from Niue, I believe it is. Samoa 2023. Very, very cool. Wow. I like that. It's going back in. Put that sucker away. And I'll take it out again, a couple of times before I officially put it away for good. But it's going in the long box. Get rid of some of my trash. All right, let's get the next bag open. Don't want to damage anything. Let's see what we can figure out here. It's a slab for sure. So let me get my scissors up on that. This is a Philadelphia Mint 2021 emergency production, emergency release. Very cool. Cool little label it's got on it. Very nice. Very nice. I think that's the only thing on that one. That's good. Just reach in and grab the next thing we can find. Let's see what's in here. Brown paper sacks, man. I feel like I'm at the liquor store. What have we got in here? Look at that. Oh, Deanna Troy. I just bought that here recently, if I'm not mistaken. And it's got a COA with it. Look at that. That's very cool. It's pewter, but it's still very cool. I like it. Next item. Let's see what we got here. Speaking of liquor store, I forgot to go check them out today. They usually get releases on Saturdays, and I'd like to go see if they got anything good for me. I forgot to go. Oh well. I'm sure one of my buddies would have called me if there was something good that I missed to brag about and tell me that I didn't get it and they did. Oh, I got a little gold in here. Gold action, gold action, gold action. I think these are the half grams. That is a Trojan warrior of some sort. Very cool, very cool. I believe these are half grams. See, look at that. I bought that way back in 326 of last year. There's another half grammers. These are also the CITs. Yeah, 0.5 gram, 0.5 grams. I think these are PlayStation, little gamer things. Really, really cool. Those might be Christmas gifts for my sons. We'll see. I don't know if they were made that good of the list. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if they may be on the naughty list as far as I'm concerned. All right, let's see. Here we go. Oh, this is just telling me what I bought and how much I paid. I'm not showing y'all that. Let's find out what's in here. I'm gonna be more careful with this. It looks paper kind of stuff since it's very, very thin. So I don't want to damage anything in here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Look at that. These fractional currencies are really super cool. Really, really cool. 5 cents on that one. This is a red seal $100 bill, only made in 1966. This is my second one of these, but still needed to get that one. Very cool. Let's see. Got some. Are these dong, Chancey? Are these dong? I don't know. No, they're not dong. These are Year of the Dragon. Very cool. I forget how much I paid for these, but I'm sure I'll go take a look at it. But look at how cool that is. Wow. Very cool. Here's what I was expecting, and the one that I knew that was in there, it was the wood chopper. Called the wood chopper because this guy is about to chop some wood. He's got a dog there. Very cool. Let me see if I can get a better look at that for y'all. All right, let's see. I didn't want to get a better look at this for myself. Let's look at this thing closer. Look at that gorgeous note. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I had an opportunity to get that from Mr. Todd, aka Silent Bob, and that's what we got. A little heart-shaped 5 right there. And then we got the little spades in the corners. Like that design. Very, very, very cool. Glad I was able to pick that one up. All right. Brown paper bag, man, it makes me think of those Russian silver bars too, which I was able to pick up a few here recently. Hopefully I'll get an unboxing video of that. Those are super cool and hard to find, and when you can get a hold of them, you gotta nab them. This is heavy. I don't know what's in here. Feels like a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's at least 5 ounces. Yep, 5 ounces of silver right there. Oh, look at that. It is a Wick 5-ounce bar. A John Wick 5-ounce bar. That is so cool. I'd forgotten I bought that. Very cool. Look at that sucker. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What else have we got up in here? Oh, these are one of those stackable things. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. What do we got here? I think I bought this from Chancey. I think this is one of his personal pours. And it is a pirate, of all things. That is a 2.87 ounce silver lot. Coin show going on. Coin show over here. I got family in town. They're over there talking. I'm like, coin show. Anyway, these are the Noah's Ark silver coins. Very, very cool. Like these. I'm glad to add these, be able to add these to my collection. Oh, sorry about that. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting a little filler there. Chancey, we could have made another 2 weeks if we would have just left that filler out, brother. So that's the end of the box, as you can see. Coming down to the sad moment of the coin show where it's going to be over soon. We got some really, really, really cool stuff. What do y'all think? I like to think it's some cool stuff. Oh, this feels like a roll of something. Oh, it's one of those copper slugs. Look at that. It's a copper battery. That is so freaking cool. I like that. I think I got that from Todd. It is a 14.2 ounce slug of copper. Very cool stuff. Going to show a couple of things that I picked up here recently. Got that at a pawn shop, of all things. Turned out pretty well. I did okay on that one, I think. Can't complain. Look at the toning around that dime and around the quarter as well. Very cool set. And another cool thing I picked up, I just wanted to show off a little bit. Picked up this Queen Elizabeth coronation proof set from 1953. Man, these things are super cool. I've been wanting one for a while and finally saw one that I liked. Picked it up. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the toning on that right there. Toning over here as well. Just gorgeous. Very cool proof set. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And if you didn't, then teach me something. And if you like this video, please like the channel so you can see more. Y'all have a good day.